What's going on, guys? It's Kai here and welcome to another video. Today's video we got a couple unboxings, a couple shoes come in and some botting dive cops, so a bit like a week in the life. However, let's get straight into it. So first of all, what we did have come in the mail, we managed to get the white on pink box logo design. It's actually quite clean. I was quite surprised. Rat Bag did get me this. Next up, we do have some Dunk High Pandas that I did also get. Got a couple pairs of these in. And lastly, we do have the UNC Dunk clothes. We're going to roll some footage about these. We did get a couple pairs of these as well. However, we have some pairs in Italy and so on. But they're sold. These aren't actually sold yet, but we'll get you a nice little close look of the shoe right now. And then we'll get into some live cops. Moving on to drop number 1, we did have the Dunk Low 399s come out and the Dunk Low Women's Pulse Sunset Pulse colorway that also came out. I was running 2 copies of Cyber and I did make a couple mistakes, I will say this from the start. However, we still did manage to get a fair couple cops and I could have got more if I didn't make the stupid mistakes I did. Proxies we used for this drop, we used Mast, we used Nebula, we used Ignify, and we also used Rampage. So all of our 4 sponsors, all the discount codes will be linked in the description. So big thanks to all of them, and let's roll the footage right now. So we ended off that drop with 7 checkouts. Tell you what I did wrong was essentially what happened was with my 2 copies I kind of made a massive mistake with my server copy. I basically wasn't looking at the server at all, and essentially the task that I needed to click to finalize I just didn't see because I didn't hear any sound from the server or anything was happening. So in the end it didn't really work out very well. However, we do learn from the situation. I didn't realize running 2 copies is actually quite confusing, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to master the whole 1 copy first and then move on to using multiple copies on the bigger drops. But the Botting Apprentice episode 2 will be out soon, and let's just say the people who I paid for the expenses did also hit quite well. We do have some good upcoming releases. We have a pair of Yeezys coming out which I will personally skip as they just look like bricks, I'll be really honest. If you guys would like to join my cook group, please do click the top link in the description. This is where I teach you everything you need to know for a very low price a month, lower than most cook groups going. We give you that one-on-one call, we give you the what shoes to get, resale predictions, what raffles to get, everything you need as a reseller, whether you're a beginner, whether you're intermediate, whether you're a pro and you really want to expand your reselling business. My cook group is the one to join, so click top link in the description if you would like to join. We are actually going to be hosting a giveaway. Our giveaway is going to include many proxy sponsors are giving away free data. So we have Nebula giving away free data, we have Ignify giving away free data, we have Rampage giving away data and also private server invites. They're private server, only exclusive to certain people. They're giving 5 invites away, and we also have some others as well. Okay, so link in the description. I'll pop it up on screen, and I'll give you instructions to way to join. Enter up, and I'll be giving away some free memberships for my cook group. But yeah, it's a big giveaway, so please get top link. So please click the link in the description if you would like to participate. But apart from that, that will actually be the end of today's video. Quite a short video, however, I just thought it was a nice video to do. We've got a couple of unboxings, a live cop we can show you, and so on. Hope you guys did enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.